Penis exercises. Introduction. This video may be free, but I can assure you it's priceless. Soon you will know exactly how to enlarge your penis, so consider yourself lucky, my friend, because normally you have to pay $49 just to read guides that are less good than this one. This is a real treat indeed. Now let's talk about penis. Your penis, to be exact. I'd bet that your woman has not said in your presence that a bigger penis feels much better during sex than a small penis. It's no surprise because she doesn't want to hurt your feelings. You see, one of the top complaints from women about their sex life is their partner's small penis size. So what can you do now to make sure your penis causes compliments, not complaints? Don't worry, I'm here to help. If you want to know how to enlarge your penis, then doing exercises is one of most popular ways to increase the size of a man's penis. Nonetheless, there is some effort required, and a catch. By doing some penis enlargement exercises, you can train your penis to let more blood into it, which will give you a harder erection and assist in penis growth. If you follow the other necessary steps to cause big growth, this is what the exercise gurus didn't want you to know. But of course, exercises alone don't work in the same way that your body does. Your penis needs nutrients and biochemicals to repair itself and, more importantly for us, to grow. What's more, you can trick your body into restarting puberty-style penis enlargement, that is natural growth, with biochemicals that were present in your body during puberty, but which left when it ended. When they left your body, penis growth ground to a sudden halt. However, right now you can start straight away to improve your sex life. What I can say is that this video has been changing the way a bucket load of men think about treating their size problem. Within a few minutes, you will learn how to become a much better lover with a bigger penis. Now, enjoy this free video and please pass it on to your family and friends. Tell them about Penis Enlargement Bible. Let's get started. Know your penis. I'm not going to waste your valuable time by telling you all about your penis. You know what a penis is already, right? But there is some important stuff that you need to know if you want to make your penis bigger. As you know, the penis is not a muscle. It's also not a bone. Instead, it's made up of delicate spongy tissue which grew because biochemicals in your body made it bigger as you went through puberty. The most important thing you've got to remember is that the penis isn't a muscle that can be exercised in the conventional way, but you can use exercises to accelerate penis growth, and this free video is all about those exercises which are most effective at accelerating the growth of your penis. Unlike muscle, your penis consists of 3 cylinders or tubes of tissue. These are arranged with 2 cylinders on top, as you look down on the penis, and 1 on the bottom. They are each roughly the size and shape of a pencil. Running through the bottom cylinder is the urethra, the tube through which urine and sperm pass. These cylinders of tissue are firmly held together by a wrap of tissue called Bacchus fascia. If you want to make your penis bigger, then you have to enlarge these 3 cylinders and the Bacchus fascia. Here's a diagram of the male sexual organs. Our objective is to make the shaft of your penis bigger in length and girth from the base all the way to the tip. When you do that, you get a bigger penis. Penis exercises, unlike muscle exercises, are focused on trapping blood in the penis for longer than is natural. This video is focused on getting you gains that are between 2 and 4 inches personally. Before we look at the exercises themselves, let's talk about measuring your penis. Measuring your penis. The truth is, the majority of men have no idea how to measure penis length accurately. To accurately measure your penis is vital if you want to record the increases in size. Here are the steps to measure your penis size accurately so you can give yourself an honest measurement about how you jack up to the male average of 6 inches. First, find a measuring device. A cloth measuring tape works best. If you can't find one, then a piece of string will do. After measuring yourself with a piece of string, you can place that string along a wooden ruler or some other measuring device. I hope that makes sense. If your penis curves or bends, and many penises do, be sure to measure along the curve or bend. Don't measure straight from your pubic bone to the tip of your penis. In other words, now the fun part, get erect. Take your measuring device and measure your penis from your pubic bone. The pubic bone is the bone you feel when you press in the area that is covered by your pubic hairs. Don't press too hard, but hard enough to be firmly against that bone. Now hold your penis, if you have to, and place the measuring device, whatever it is that you're using, along the top of your penis. That's the part of your penis that you see. You are measuring from the pubic bone along the top of the penis to the tip of your penis. That measurement, whether in inches, centimeters or millimeters, is your official length. The reason I suggest measuring from the pubic bone is because it puts every guy on a level playing field. It's a way of being more accurate. Some heavier guys have extra fat behind their pubic hairs, making the penis appear smaller. But we're going for the scientific method to measure your actual size. If you are using a piece of string or whatever, find the distance from your pubic bone to the tip of your penis and then measure the piece of string. To measure the thickness or girth of your penis, stay erect and find the thickest part of your penis, along the shaft. Take your measuring device and wrap it around your penis to get your actual girth measurement. Take note of how many inches, centimeters or millimeters it takes to go all the way around. That measurement will be the official girth of your penis. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, on to the basics of exercises. ?